Ngayong araw ay lalaroin natin ang tinatawag na Captured. At itong laro na to ay tungkol to sa anomalies. Ang goal natin dito ay para makahanap ng anomalies. There are 6 anomalies na kailangan nating hanapin. And maraming categories ang nakalagay doon. Either object siya na gumalaw, object na dadagdag. If it's all about light, kung may nadagdag na light dun sa original na place. Yeah. In short, kailangan lang nating hanapin kung ano yung nagbago. Parang siya. Nagbago! Nababaliw na ako legit. Kasi tagal kong di gumawa ng gantong video. You know, to be free is to be freedom. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Notification. Watch it now. Ganda ng quality, nakaka-addict. Wala pa nga eh. Missing person, Emily
Hi,
Card.
Rose.
Ay, wow.
It's your sister, Emily. You just woke up screaming, there's a man in the closet. Isn't that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't scream this time. Let's have a look.
Eh, ako ba yan?
Paldo graphics.
Ganda.
No. Just close. So next time, you can just watch this video instead.
About anomalies,
Rose?
JSP nga pala.
Nawala. Ay, nawala yung kapatid niya.
Dad?
No. Oh.
No!
Ayos yun ah. Okay, I think ito tayo talaga. Oh, ito nga. Okay, babae tayo man.
Ang sarap ng graphics.
Okay, let's check. Stuck in a loop. Take a brief look around the house. Something seems off. All windows and ceiling lights are gone. This is the default loop, and it does not contain any anomalies. Any changes to the environment in later loops, consider them. So yung nandito ngayon is ito yung original. Original ata to. Ito yung main ano. Parang ganda ng graphics niya. Yung captured one, alam ko ganito rin yung graphics. Pero wala mga ganun yung may babae na cutscene. Your default loop may contain locked doors. These rooms will become accessible in later days. Okay. Ito yung nakalock. Paano natin malalaman kung ano sa sobrang daming ano dito, men? Dito nawala yung kapatid natin. Ito yung bukas kanina. Yeah, dito nga nawala yung kapatid. What? Unsafe and sound? Sneak to move silently. When the noise indicator appears, your voice and in-game sounds can be heard. Sprinting for too long will exhaust your stamina for a few seconds.
Good luck, kid.
Paano malalaman? May anomaly na ba agad? Parang wala naman, no? I-ano lang natin, tandaan lang yung mga gamit. Okay. Oh, anomaly na agad to.
Ganda nga ng graphics.
Capture anomaly. Zoom an anomaly and use... okay. Ito. Select anomaly. Object. Object siya. Ganda ng graphics. You have lock in your selection. All anomalies will remain until you exit the loop. The anom counter shows the... okay. So, bali meron ng 6 anomalies dito. Objects pa lang ata ito eh. Selected, Ano ba selection natin? Dapat object siya, di ba? Object. Room hallway. Bawal to. No? What do you mean I'm lost? Hindi ako lost, pare. May bumubulong na. Di ba yun yung umabol sa atin kanina? Scanning for anomalies drains your battery. Look around the house for new batteries. Batteries and entities do not count as anomalies. Okay. Ayaw. Kakatok ka, hindi mo bubuksan. Mali mo yan. Yun lang naman ata, no? Okay. Exiting a loop confirms your captured anomalies. Missing or incorrectly selecting an anomaly will reset your anom. Ah! So pag nagkamali tayo, reset lahat ng, ano? Ito oh, matik na yan, oh, kulay pula. Ay, matik yan. Ah! What the? What did I run? Ring a ding? Welcome back. Oo, salamat ha. Umulit ako dahil sa'yo, man. Ah, okay. Kala ko umpisa tayo sa ano. I-check ulit natin kung meron mang ano. Naririnig ako! Yung mic ko! Walkie! Namatay yung upuan! Kawawa naman yan, tol! Kawawa, alam mo dito. Sige. Condolence, tol. Condolence po sa Chair family. Condolence po.
Share
Wala
up
din.
sa fam.
Rip chair, rip chair. Hello, Eddie. Okay na.
Bago lang napansin, nawala din pala streak, hahaha.
Nawala. Don't tell me. Please, wag mo nilalabas yung entity, pre. Wag mo nilalabas yung entity. Wag mo nilalabas yung entity, pre. Wait lang. Pag lumabas yung entity na ano, na naririnig tayo, parang mahirap na ano yun to. Reality is heart me, ah. Wala naman. Hello, header. Hanggang 6 lang naman yung demo. So, hindi naman yun.
Walk eh.
Reality is heart me.
I hate that.
Bawal ako magsalita. Anomaly, walang anomaly.
It has been 5.5 months since 26 children vanished without a trace. Since then, more than 100 unexplained disappearances have been reported across the state. The only lead so far
They'll
comes in the
keep
form
carrying
of
suspense.
videotapes. Jason, last seen on July 11th in his family
check
home,
that out.
mysteriously disappeared from his bedroom. Days later, his family discovered new footage recorded by Jason himself on their home camera. Police began investigating video and audio devices found in
Safe na. Hindi na ako nakausad. Lagi na si Zero. Dito ako nahihirapan kaya ayoko ng anomaly na ganito eh. Kailangan talaga i-double check natin lahat ng ano. Lahat ng gamit.
Kit, kumain ka na lang sili.
Wag. Okay. Object to. Anomaly. Putok! Muntik na! Putik ka. Okay, goods. Game name, captured to. Mamaya may mamiss na naman ako dito ah. Scan tayo wala. No anomalies within range though. Kailangan talaga malaman kung ano yung anomaly. Kapag di nalaman, dali talaga. Ito, hindi ba anomaly to? Ba't may vending machine dito? Extra object to. Anomaly object. Tama, object. Dito. Silent. Okay na siguro. Okay, goods. To anomalies. May ilaw. For sure lighting to. CR muna. CR. Nothing. Wala. Walang pagbabago.
That was close.
Wala. Wala ka na. Lights on. Wala na siguro anomaly. Wala na. Isa lang ata yung light lang. Itong lighting na to. Kung nagkamali ako, babalik na naman. Check muna natin. Double check. Malapit na. 3 out of 6 na, pre. 3 out of 6. Oh, anomaly na agad to. Umuulan, pare. Water. So, we need battery pa. Kailangan ng battery. Wala na akong battery pang scan. Hindi ko matatalo tayo if ever mangyari yun, man. May ilaw pa dun. Battery, please. Battery. Wala. Isa na lang battery ko. Isa na lang pang scan ko. Matatalo ako nito. Battery, wala. Ay, awit. Battery. Ano mesa? Ito battery. Kailangan ng battery. No. Isa na lang anomaly. Isang anomaly na lang. Susi yun eh. Kailangan ng isang anomaly. Ay, ng isang battery pala. Please. 5 out of 6. Okay. Last na to, last na. Last anomaly na. Kay, galaw! Puti ka! Oh! Battery wala. Walang batteries. Ayun. Dali mo. Thank you. Scan. Tapos... Tapos na. Puti ka na yun. Not ready yet. Okay. Tapos na. Finally.
Hey, kiddo. It's been a year. For us, at least. For you, just a day. At least that's what
Ba't
the
may water?
investigators
Anomalies yun?
told us. They said in some tapes kids seem to forget things. Like that place is slowly wiping their memories.
But game captured to.
But you got this.
Dami pa.
Your sister and I are waiting for you to get back. Don't forget that.
Tapos na. For the past year, I've been solo developing this game. Solo developer lang. Inspired by my favorite movie shows and childhood nightmares. Chipak. Tapos na. Yun na yun. Ganda rin pala nun.